Hi, psych friends. Okay, so this is a walkthrough on today's assignment. We have finally made it to part 3 of our explanations of human development. And so today we're just going to finish it out, bring it home. We're going to look at Kohlberg's stages of moral development. So here is the document that I created to kind of help streamline the lesson in Canvas. Um, all you have to do is read this little chunk, look at the chart, breaks it into stages, read this information, okay? And then after that, you're going to select 2 examples from your own life of like a moral dilemma that you've ever faced, okay? And describe the stage of development from which your thinking during those moral dilemmas represent, okay? And then after that, I supply you with a dilemma. Read the dilemma. It's actually really interesting. You guys are going to like it. And then answer the questions. That's simple. Then we're finished with the development part. You're going to scroll on down and we're going to dive into the 4 types of parenting styles. So read each one. Here's a video that kind of gives you a little bit more information. And then after that, you're going to answer the questions. And then finally, the last piece is gives you an example of a scenario from a common family. And then you are going to try to, excuse me, friends, you're going to try to identify what type of family from the different parenting styles that you just learned about, so one of the 4, and you're going to identify what type of family the scenario represents. That is it. That is your assignment. Have fun with this. This shouldn't take you a very long time at all. How to get to this page in Canvas, always start at the home screen. Scroll on down. We are finishing up Learning Target 4, moving right along, friends. We are in Success Criteria 2. Remember, scroll on down. First blue link. We've went through all of this, so just keep scrolling, just keep scrolling, just keep scrolling, keep on scrolling. Scroll, scroll, scroll. This is where you get to Kohlberg's stages of moral dilemma. Here's the chart. Here's your questions. Here's your dilemma. Okay? And then you can skip this. Don't do this part. Go back out. Remember, you have to, I hate how Canvas has this set up, but you got to go back out and parenting styles and outcomes. That's the second part. And I legit copied and pasted this into Canvas. So if you didn't even want to get into Canvas and do this, you don't have to. All right, that's it. Have a great, oh, I'm so sorry. Have a great rest of your day. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please reach out. This should take you 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, okay? So use today to catch up. If you did not finish yesterday's assignment, do that. If you didn't finish Monday's assignment, do that. If you didn't finish last week's assessment, that is that's a priority. Get that finished. That is a priority, okay? So use, if you finish in 20 minutes, use 10 to 15 minutes and do an assignment that you need to do, or make revisions to an assessment to up your score. Okay? All right, friends. Have a great rest of your day.